welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can download and install the Tumblr app onto your mobile phone. So the first thing that you would have to do is go to your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. Now this is available to download for both platforms and it's free. You can use it easily, so just search Tumblr, Tumblr, and then you click on install, and then it will start downloading the app for you. Now this is a photo sharing platform along with writing a mini blog on your profile. You can create groups that people can follow. You can, kind of be as creative as you want on Tumblr. You do have to be above 18 and above to be able to sign up, I think. So you can start start using the app on your phone. You can kind of go to the website tumblr.com on any of your web browser, on your desktop as well. If you think that using Tumblr on desktop is much more better than using it on your mobile phone, because sometimes it's so much easier to get a better perspective on a bigger screen. So people do use Tumblr on their phone. So you can see that I have kind of finish installing Tumblr. I'm gonna open it, and this is how you kind of it will look on your phone. So you can start exploring Tumblr. It says over here, explore mind-blowing stuff on Tumblr. Follow Tumblrs that spark your interest. You can do a lot of things on Tumblr because it's a social media, a social networking site as well, and you can post images and create mini blogs onto it. It's kind of fun to be using Tumblr. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.